Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and this is my simple stamping and paper craft series. And so today we're doing a simple stamping card, and this one is so sweet. So we are going to use the Hoot Hoot Hooray. I love this stamp set, and this is not just for beginners. This is for beginners and beyond, because look how cute the images are on here. I just love them. But I thought we'd make a birthday card today, so we're going to use these little cupcakes with the happy birthday off of this stamp set. And if you are a beginner, and you would like a beginner's new brochure that we have out, please message me or contact me on my blog, and I'd be happy to send you one. So what we're using for this is a basic card, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. We're going to use it opening this way this time. We're going to use our stitched shapes, but you can definitely cut your framelit. You can cut your piece out without using the framelit. I just love the stitching on this one. So let me tell you what it measures on the inside. So the inside is about 2 1/8. You can do it maybe 2 1/4 by 3 1/2. And so if you don't have these framelits, you can just cut a piece out and stamp on that. So we're going to just bring the Big Shot up here really quick. These are great dies because there's so many of them in this set, and also they're perfect for using for beginners as well. Let me see if this will fit this way, and I can maybe cut 2 of them out of here instead of wasting. So we're just going to run that one through. And I found with these stitched rectangles that it is much easier to run them through at a slight angle than to run them through straight. I got a tip from a follower who had told me that, and I'm so happy she did. Sometimes I can't because I want to run things through together, but this time I could, and it works really, really well, and I do when I can. So you're also going to need a piece of this is our Subtle Collection Designer Series paper. So it comes in all of our color families, and it has 4 sheets of, I think it's 4 sheets of each color, and there are 4 different designs on it. So we're using the gingham because I love the gingham and I'm addicted to it. So we are going to go ahead and use some snail and attach this to our card. And just center that on here. And then we're going to go ahead and stamp. And when you're going to use your blends, you always want to use Memento Black, Tuxedo Black ink. And you don't know all the stuff I have up on my bench. I've been working like crazy this week. So I have a bunch of stuff up here that I'm working on. So it is a little bit of a mess. So then we are going to go ahead and stamp this. And then just lift up, and it's so crisp and clear. So I'm going to use the light and dark. Since this is Pool Party, we're going to use light and dark Pool Party. I'm going to use some, I think this is crumb cake. Yeah, some light and dark crumb cake. And then we're going to use some light and dark Mango Melody for the banner. And then I just grabbed some of the lovely lipstick. This is the dark for the little sprinkles on the top. Super, super simple coloring, nothing fancy. I'm just going to do a tiny bit of shading with my darker blend, but we're just going to basically color these all in, just like you would a coloring book. They're really, really easy and quick images to color. if you are a beginner, these blends are perfect for coloring and getting some really nice detail in your. So we are going to just color a little bit around the edges to give it a little bit more detail. And of course, I am not a professional colorer with these, but I do like to play with them. And then we're going to just blend in here. Alright, so that is it for that. We're going to do some of the dark crumb cake, and I'm just outlining these little cupcake bottom part here of this cupcake. And then we're just going to fill it in with the light. And then for the banner, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to color it in with the light. Oops, I like the bigger end. There are two ends on these blends too, by the way. And I'm going to color the back of the ribbons a little bit darker back here because they probably shaded a little bit back here. And then I'm going to use the larger side and just kind of outline this. These are my favorite things to color with now. I used to love the watercolor pencils, but I'm loving these now. And then we're just going to color our sprinkles. And that is it. It is so cute and it's very, very super quick and easy to color. Alright, so now we're ready to add this to our card. Just like that. And if you want to, you can just leave it like that because it's super cute just like that. But I wanted to add a little bit more, so I took some of our shimmer ribbon, which is Pool Party, and I'm just tying a bow. And I love how this ribbon ties. I can always tie a really good bow with this. And I have to admit that I am not the best bow tire. I'm trying to get better, but, and then we're going to just use a glue dot, a couple glue dots actually, to put that right in the corner right there. And then we are done. Super quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.